Look around you, the device you are holding, the chair you are sitting on, the very walls of your room. It all feels undeniably real, solid, permanent. But in the 1920s, a group of scientists conducted an experiment that completely shattered our understanding of reality. It was called the double slit experiment. They discovered something terrifying: matter, the building block of the universe, only exists as a solid when it is being observed. When no one is looking, the universe dissolves into a wave of infinite possibilities, a quantum soap. For 100 years, modern science has struggled to answer this. How can human consciousness detect the physical world? But what if the answer isn't new? What if this profound scientific breakthrough was already fully documented over 5,000 years ago? To understand this magnitude of this, we have to look the edge of modern physics. In quantum mechanism, particles like electrons don't have like tiny rocks. They behave like wave of potential. If you fire electrons through two slits, they create an interfaces pattern, meaning a single electron goes through both slits at the exact same time. It exists in multiple places at once. This is called quantum superposition. But here is where the universe plays its ultimate trick. The moment scientists placed a detector to observe which slit the electron goes through, the electron immediately stopped acting like a wave. It collapsed into a single solid particle. It's as if the universe knew it was being watched. The act of observation itself literally creates physical reality. Without consciousness, there is no matter. Science calls the observer effect. And it has broken the mindset of the greatest physicist on earth, the ancient parallel Sanatan Dharam. Now let's travel back 5,000 years ago, long before microscope, particle accelerator or CERN. In the ancient Indian subcontinent, sirs and sages wrote the Upanishads and the Vedanta. They didn't build a mechanic to look outward, they turned their consciousness inward, and they arrived at the exact same conclusion as modern quantum physicists. In Advaita Vedanta, there is a profound principle known as DRISHTI SRISTHI VEDA. In Sanskrit, DRISHTI means vision or observation, and SRISTHI means creation or the universe. The principle translates directly to creation exists because of observation. Thousands of years ago, Sanatan Dharam stated that the universe has no absolute independent physical reality. It only manifests when the Purusha, the witnessing consciousness, observe the Prakriti, the physical matrix. Sound familiar? It is the exact definition of the collapse of the quantum wave function. The law of attraction and neuroplasticity. This is where the law of attraction transition from mystical belief to hard science. If the universe is a wave of infinite possibilities waiting for an observer, then what you observe and how you observe it determines the reality that collapses in front of you. The ancient text spoke of sankalpa, focused intention. Modern science calls the direct neuroplasticity combined with the reticular activating system in your brain. When you focus intensely on a goal, your brain literally filters the quantum noise, looking onto the exact frequencies needed to manifest that reality. You are not attracting things from outside of you. You are an unparalleled thinker actively collapsing the quantum wave function of the universe to bring your desires into a 3D reality. All matter organizes and exists only by virtue by a force. We must assume behind this force the existence of a consciousness and intelligent mind. This mind is the matrix of all matter. Thousands of years earlier, the Bhagavad Gita stated, Mayadhyakshen prakrti suyate sacharacharam. Under my supervision, the material energy produces all moving and non-moving things. Modern science isn't discovering anything new. It is simply inventing new vocabulary, words like quantum entanglement, superposition, and the observer effect, to describe what the ancient rishis of India mapped out of millennia ago. The roots of modern science are deeply embedded in Sanatan Dharam. But the observer effect is just the beginning. If consciousness creates a reality, then what is the universe made of? Is it matter or is it sound? In our next episode, we will explore string theory and how the highest mind in physics are realizing that the universe is made of vibrating string of energy, a cosmic hum, initial to the primordial sound of Om.